Okay, here are the final 3 stars before we start opening night. Kama.ai is an indigenous developer whose artificial intelligence allows businesses to engage with their clientele in real-time discussion on a one-to-one marketing or customer care basis. Please welcome kama.ai.
Hello, my name is Brian Ritchie, and I'm a member of Chapleau Cree First Nation, and I'm the founder and CEO of kama.ai. Our mission and vision is to develop the most intelligent and emotionally aware conversational intelligence in the world. We've done that by guiding it by human values, and we've done it that way because we and a lot of behavioral scientists believe that it's our values that guide all of the decisions we make. Our mission is to deploy these compassionate and emotionally intelligent digital workers in the service of humanity. We have a very talented team who are passionate about achieving our mission and our goal. You can make a conversational intelligence in various ways. We all know of Siri and Alexa. That's kind of a big data model, machine learning. You can also use decision trees. And then there's us. We have a knowledge graph which works a lot like our minds do. Things connected to things in our mind, and things can come to our mind when someone says something, and things can be more important than other things. And that's where we come in. That's what we've added. We've added this human value layer of rating information on top of our knowledge graph, which is like our mind, to produce a very human-like intelligence. And this is all done with a very inclusive, zero-code, transparent technology. World-leading researcher Gartner says that there are various levels of virtual agents, people or machines that can talk to people, starting from novice going all the way to superior. They said last summer that the world is approaching stage 2, maybe late stage 2. We're delivering expert virtual assistants in the market right now. Here's a slide that comes from Gartner's presentation in May in the UK, where they're talking about our technology delivering a virtual retail agent experience. Note that they say that the business impact is 4 out of 5, and the user impact is 5 out of 5. Well, the truth is, if you take care of the user, you're going to take care of the business. Recently, we did a study and a trial to test a virtual health assistant with First Nations. My First Nation, Chapleau Cree, and one of our sister First Nations, Moose Cree, up in the James Bay area. We did this to deliver health and wellness information, but not only that, to deliver traditional and cultural information to allow community members to actually regain their culture. I want to point out one interesting thing. Many people said, we asked the question, how does it make you feel to have Sage available to you to help? Many people said, it makes me feel reassured. All of the adults said it makes me feel less stressed, and all of the youth said it makes me feel less lonely. Imagine a technology that can make your teenage son or daughter feel less lonely. That's kama.ai. Thank you very much.
All right.